Hey folks, so this is the L60, a eufy robot vacuum cleaner, and I'm looking forward to getting this out of the box and trying it out, and I'll tell you why. This is a budget model in terms of price, but the features here are actually kind of exciting, not least of which the 5000 PA of suction. That's a huge upgrade of eufy's previous model, which offered up to 2000 PA, so more than double that previous amount. 5000 PA is going to be really powerful. And what's great is this uses their Boost IQ technology, which means it's going to automatically determine the suction that's necessary based on the floor that it is moving across. And alongside those, this also has eufy's iPath laser, so it's going to make mapping rooms an absolute breeze for this device. It also has the ability to climb up to 20 millimeters, so about that much, which is pretty good actually. It means it's going to be getting stuck far less often. And the free eufy Clean app is going to give you access to all of the AI functionality, including the ability to quick select mapping rooms. And even if you have multi-story homes, you will be able to save the floor plans individually as well. So without any further jibber jabber, let's get this thing unboxed, shall we? And as we do so, I do want to, for the sake of disclaimer, point out that eufy did send this to me in exchange for the video today. So thanks to eufy for this model. And let's just pop that box down there. So we have our quick start guide. We have our plug along with the cable and the charging docking station. And of course we have the robot itself here. So let's get this out of the bag. And wow, this thing looks really smart. Yeah, big fan of the design that eufy have gone for here. It does look very sleek. Feels like a good quality product as well. It's got a fair bit of weight to it. So I'll show you this a little more up close and personal in a moment. We also have the accessory cleaning brush. So let's just go ahead and remove the final bits of packaging here. So just showing you this up a little closer now, you can see we have the 2 button controls up here, including the home button, along with the multifunction button just here. This will allow us to turn the unit on and off, but also allow us various functionality in the app, such as being able to connect this in the first place to our Wi-Fi. As you would expect with a robot vacuum, we have our bumper guard here. We have what appears to be our charging point connectors on the back, and emptying the dust collection bin is really simple. There's 2 catches right here on the side, just push those in and out this comes. We can then open that without any fuss or hassle in order to empty, and we also have a filter here as well, which I do recommend just cleaning off quite regularly. And the filter also comes off without too much fuss. And then turning this around, I have just covered up some of the codes on my particular product here, but you can see that we have the roller. So this is also easily removable. We just lift the 2 catches and then remove the cover, and this just pulls out right there. So this is easily taken out for cleaning. And if ever you need to replace or clean the edging brush, it is only pinned down with 1 screw. So we've got the eufy L60 unboxed. Let's go ahead now, get it connected to the app. So quite simply, we're just going to select add a device, and then we're going to scroll down. Oh, we don't need to scroll, it's right there, the L60. We'll tap that, and then it just gives us the simple to follow instructions. So we're going to start by holding down the power button here for 3 seconds until we hear a bleep. Okay, there it is. And so we'll just tap next. Hold these buttons down for 3 seconds until we hear another prompt.
Wi-Fi has been reset. Follow the instructions in the app to connect to the network.
Perfect. So we'll tap next again. We do have to enable some permissions here within our phone. So now we can go ahead and start connecting. And hopefully this will be detected quite quickly, and it has been. So let's select connect there. I've just entered our Wi-Fi details, and it's just going through the connecting process now. I should point out at the moment, I don't have the charging station plugged in. So this is solely happening all through the robot itself. And yeah, it looks like the robot is all set up. So one thing I do like to do before I do anything else is just check if there are any firmware updates. And in fact, simply trying to access the robot from within the app has pointed out that there is a firmware update. So let's go ahead and install that now. Okay, the robot does need to be at the base station for this. So I'll go ahead, get that plugged in, get the firmware update installed, and be right back with you. So while that's upgrading, I do actually have the option to enable auto upgrade, so we won't have to manually go through the process in future. and it will simply do that whilst it is on charge. And now we have full access to the app here. We're able to set up our cleaning maps. We can set up no-go zones if we wish. So all of this can be controlled within the software here. I'm really excited to put this through its paces. I'm going to get it fully charged up at this point, and then in the next video I'm going to be bringing you a more in-depth review after some testing. So folks, thank you so much for watching. This has been the unboxing and setup for the eufy L60 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a budget model price-wise, but definitely with some premium features. So let's see how we get on with this one. I'll catch you next time.